Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today in the Joy of Cooking I'll be showing you all how to make homemade kadha for the cough and cold. So let's start and make the kadha. For that we require water, holy basil, cardamom pods, dalchini, cloves, black peppercorns. We require ginger, dried lemongrass, you may use fresh, and jaggery. So first in the saucepan I will take water, 1 cup of water, then jaggery, lemongrass and ginger. Then add the holy basil and the spices to it. Then let it come to a boil and let it become half in quantity. Then strain it. And this is how our homemade kadha, the remedy for the cough and cold, is ready. So please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off.